Okay, so I know a lot of people get that credit card uh, error and stuff. So we're going to show you where it was supposed to be originally. So eventually, I think you were supposed to right here, so you can say billing information. You're supposed to go here to add, delete credit cards. But as soon as you click on it, it tells you to go to your PlayStation account management. So we're going to be doing that, and I'm going to be showing you how you could do that. The thing is, before we even go to the website, I do have to mention that a lot of the time, everyone's account from PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Vita, and PS3, it's all one account. I don't know. Some people don't really know that, but just to let you know, all your PlayStation Network ID is connected through all accounts. So if you added a credit card on your PS4, chances are, if you're trying to buy games on PS3, your credit card is still on it and it's telling you to add, remove, etc. You gotta delete your credit card no matter what. That's just how it goes. But we're gonna show you how we do it. All right. So I'm going to show you how to buy games on the PlayStation 3. First, you want to get on a web browser. Doesn't matter if it's your phone or your computer. Go to PlayStation.com and log in. Once you log in, it'll take you back to the PlayStation.com. But this time, there's going to be a little icon. Once you locate that icon, you are going to want to click on it, because once you click on it, it's going to give you a list. And this list is going to consist of many things. Mostly what you want to click on is payment management. Once you click on it, you're going to get this little side of the screen. It's going to give you, your payment methods. It's going to show you that you could add a new payment method, add funds, and stuff like that. Also, it's going to show you your balance as well. So I don't like using credit cards on PlayStation, so I use my PayPal for an example. I only put it in there for an example purpose. If you have a credit card or PayPal, you want to click on it. And once you click on it, it's going to give you another screen. It's going to give you this screen. And at the way bottom, as you can see, it's going to say remove. And that's all you got to do is just click there and remove it. And you're pretty much set to buy PlayStation 3 games easily. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to add funds. Obviously, it's not that hard, especially if it's right in front of your face right here. There's an option that says add funds. So you click on that. And then it's going to show you all your payment methods, and you're going to click on your payment methods, and then you'll get on this screen. This screen is going to pretty much tell you how much you want to add. You're going to put whatever you want, and it will pretty much add the funds to your account. Now, this method is convenient for some people. As for me, it's not, because one thing you're going to have to do a lot is pretty much you're going to have to put in your account, then take it off, and then go buy some PlayStation games. Unless you're going to put like a really big deposit, I don't think it's worth it. I like using the PlayStation cards because it's very convenient, because I get them through Amazon, and I get them like literally the few seconds I purchase it, and I just have to type in the code and that's it. Once again, it's all personal preference. This is a method that you could use. It's up to you what you want to do. I just wanted to show you what you got to do. You pretty much have to take off all your payment methods before purchasing stuff on PlayStation 3. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until then, I'm out, and peace.